I'm Jonathan Sewell Sales at Bonnie's Enterprise Toyota, and this is the 2019 Toyota Sienna XLE Premium. Swagger wagon, grocery getter, only for soccer moms, whatever you've heard it called, I'm going to show you why it's something you should always consider. Stay tuned. Starting up front, you see not much has changed over the refresh or update of last year. So we do have a redesigned front end, and this is to include the accommodation for Toyota Safety Sense. So you see the radar up here, also the camera up there on the rear view. But this is the XLE model, so it's going to have this painted area right here. So it's metallic paint accents. Also, you'll have fog lights as standard, projector beam headlights. As we work our way around, you have a 17-inch alloy wheel, which is also painted with the same different contrasting accents here. Looks really nice. Also, on the XLE, you have these updated chrome accents on the handles. Of course, smart key with push button start is standard on the XLE. So you have the grooves here for the locking mechanism. Also, the upgrade that we saw a few years back to the XLE is blind spot indicators and rear cross traffic standard on XLE and above. One of the neat features is the locking gas door or fuel lid. So if this is open, you cannot open the door on top of it, so that helps protect this lid here from scratches and other damage by someone inside accidentally opening it while you're getting fuel or whatever the case may be. As we go around the back, a little bit of changes, not much from 2015, but on this XLE Premium model you see the rear sonar in 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way around, and gets a little bit of extra visibility from that sonar. Also, the rear spoiler is standard, and what I like best about it is it hides the rear wiper up there, so really nice. You see the shark fin antenna, which is for some of the services that are available on this XLE Premium model. Something that the Sienna has always done differently on this outside is built in the door track to the window, so as you look back it really ties in well and you really can't distinguish just from afar, and that's very sleek, very smooth. So again, not many changes through the years since 2015 other than the front end to accommodate Toyota Safety Sense. Let's take a look inside. Thank you for joining me for a look at this awesome vehicle. I'm Jonathan Sewell Sales at Bonnie's Enterprise Toyota. No matter what it's called, swagger wagon, grocery getter, maybe a station wagon, or only for soccer moms, I hope that I've shown you why you should consider the 2019 Toyota Sienna XLE Premium. Please comment below with any questions, call or text for more information, and as always, subscribe to my channel for more information about all Toyota vehicles and other things Toyota. Thanks.